I've been where you are. When things are good, you love being a hairstylist. But what you really want is to be an industry insider and work on high-profile jobs like magazine shoots and at Fashion Week. And of course, with celebrities. But you don't know how to break into that world. You finally get a shot to work on a model for a photo shoot, and they have a hair texture that you aren't exactly experienced with. It used to be that if you wanted to go into high-end hairstyling, you really only needed to be well-versed in straight hair. Today's entertainers are global and with all types of skin tones and hair textures. Simply put, the old way doesn't work anymore. I'm Monet Everett, and I'm here to help you style your way to the top. With over 17 years of hairstyling experience, my work and beauty opinions can be seen in media ranging from Harper's Bazaar to Yahoo to Essence. I've worked with celebs ranging from Denai Guerrera to the singer Her, Nickelodeon stars like Lilimar Hernandez and Lizzie Green, plus on productions like Project Runway and BAFTA. Texture on Set is a hands-on hairstyling course with a full photo shoot that will allow you to take home images of your work for your very own portfolio. Your mission is to learn insider hairstyling secrets and vocabulary so that you can be recognized as an industry insider and have the confidence to promote yourself to decision makers who hire hairstylists. How long are you willing to be a bitter wannabe artist? How long do you want to stay the non-impactful assistant? You can be that in-demand hairstylist skilled in all hair textures who is called upon by celebrities and brands alike to further their product mission. Why do you need an actual portfolio instead of just using Instagram? Your social media only shows what you want me to see, and that simply isn't a trustworthy representation of your skill. It's vital to use professional, commercial, and fashion images to have a fair chance to promote yourself. If you focus on social media photos, it does not show your ability to work within a high-level group of artistic professionals and a shoot worth mucho dinero. Many people make the mistake of thinking that they are already great artists, so they can stop learning and evolving. They often get passed up for artists that have put in more time and invested more in their own professional development. If you really want to be on those commercial shoots or in the world of fashion and beauty, they are only hiring artists who are the best in the entire world. In this 3-day course, Texture on Set, you'll learn the principles of texture and how to slay all hair textures on set for photographic work. I'll show you how to create a shoot designed around you as a hairstylist. We'll provide you with a high-end photographer, model, and makeup artist to make your 2 images for your portfolio amazing. This will allow you to be able to promote and market yourself to decision makers that hire on-set hairstylists. This class is limited to only 15 hairstylists. Message me now with any questions. Order today and get a 30-minute portfolio review to hone in on your areas of opportunity so you know where to focus during class. As a bonus, you'll receive your Kit Essentials download, also immediate access to one of my other webinars, How to Master Texture, templates for reaching out to decision makers, and more. DM me with any questions at Monet Artistry, themonetlife.com.